सत श्री अकाल। माई नेम इज़ कुमंदर सिंह गिल, Joint Director of Factories, Labour Department, Punjab. I am here for daily media briefing brought to you by the control room. Today it is 90th day of sharing information about Punjab government efforts in controlling the coronavirus pandemic situation in the state. Till today, coronavirus has infected 87,86,600 people and caused 4,63,160 deaths worldwide. 46,47,000 people have recovered. In India, this disease has infected 3,96,700 people, including 12,971 deaths and almost 2,14,350 people have fully recovered from this deadly disease. Punjab government is trying to test maximum number of sample, and in this regard, the state sent 2,35,700 sample for testing, out of which 3,952 sample have been found positive till date, which is an increase of 120 cases since yesterday. Unfortunately, 98 people have died till date. 2,678 totally recovered in Punjab. Now total active case in Punjab are 1,176. Now I am sharing information of activities during COVID-19 by the Labour Department. Keeping in view the aspect of social security, the Punjab Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board have given interim relief of rupees 6,000 in 2 installments to 2,84,573 live registered construction workers during the lockdown. Total rupees 170.74 crore has already been disbursed to 2,84,573 live registered construction workers through 2 installments of rupees 3,000 each. This has helped in mitigating the hardship faced by the construction workers. The Punjab Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board and Punjab Labour Welfare Board is ensuring that all applications regarding welfare scheme are processed in time and financially benefits are disbursed through DBT at earliest. Necessary advisory has already been issued by the department to the owners of private establishments for not terminating the service of their employees, worker, including casual and contract workers, or reducing their wages in view of outbreak of COVID-19. For the welfare of labor in shelter temporary camps, the workers are being provided ration, medical aid by the district administration, as the primary aim is that they should not go hungry and deprived of basic amenities. The officers of Labour Department are extending every possible help to district administration in organizing relief camps for workers as per instruction issued by the government from Punjab time to time. All assistant labour commissioners, labour cum conciliation officers, and district officials of Department of Labour are actively involved in the movement of stranded persons. Major responsibilities like resolving complaints pertaining to disbursal of wages, distribution of ration, etc. have been assigned to all district officials by district administration. Stay safe, stay healthy, and support Mission Fateh to mark your contribution in the making Punjab COVID free. Thank you.